guys. I have been trying to answer some of the most frequently asked questions about fibromyalgia that have been found on the internet. And today I'm going to answer the question, are there any remedies or alternative treatments for fibromyalgia? And the short answer is yes, there are. Their effectiveness obviously is going to vary because the degree of fibromyalgia severity varies from patient to patient. Some people have been diagnosed with fibromyalgia that also have irritable bowel syndrome, lupus, which is an autoimmune disease, potentially Hashimoto's thyroiditis. Some of the patients that I've worked with also have some genetic predispositions and genetic problems. So the effectiveness of these treatments is going to vary. Of course, anything that you could do to push yourself closer towards good health is going to be helpful. How it affects your day-to-day activity may be a little bit different. But remember, fibromyalgia is a chronic condition characterized by widespread pain, fatigue, tenderness in your body, above the waist, below the waist. While there is no known individual single cure for fibromyalgia, there are various natural remedies and alternative treatments that for some people they find helpful in managing their symptoms. So it's important to note that these approaches may not work, as I mentioned, for everyone, and it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before trying any new treatment or supplement. So here are some natural remedies and alternative treatments that have been suggested for fibromyalgia. Exercise. And I know some of you are right away saying, my God, I can't hardly get out of the bed. How am I going to exercise? I get that. But for those people who can, regular physical activity like low impact exercise, stretching, aerobic exercises may help reduce pain and overall well-being. It's essential to start slowly and gradually increase intensity as you can tolerate it. So I know for some people, just a basic walk is going to be enough to set them back. For some of you who are suffering severely with fibromyalgia, exercise might set you back 2 or 3 days. So I recognize that. Body-mind techniques, practices like yoga, tai chi, meditation, and deep breathing exercises can be helpful to reduce stress, promote relaxation, and improve sleep quality. Acupuncture, this traditional Chinese medicine technique, involves the insertion of thin needles into specific points of the body. Some people with fibromyalgia report pain relief and improved sleep after acupuncture sessions. Then there's massage therapy. Again, for some people, simple, gentle hug from your spouse is more than you can handle. So massage therapy for you would not really be recommended. But therapeutic massage may help alleviate muscle pain and promote relaxation. It can also improve circulation and reduce stress. Heat and cold therapy is another technique, applying heat like a warm shower. I don't really recommend heating pads, although they can give you temporary relief. They do tend to draw inflammation to the site. They feel good when they're on, but later it ends up causing some distress. Also, ice packs to affected areas may help reduce pain and ease muscle stiffness. Then there's herbal medicine. Certain herbs and supplements such as turmeric, ginger, magnesium, SAM-E have been suggested to have potential benefits for fibromyalgia symptoms. However, scientific evidence is limited, and it is crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before trying any supplements. Then dietary changes. Some individuals with fibromyalgia report improvement by making dietary adjustments, avoiding trigger foods, reducing caffeine and alcohol intake, and focusing on a balanced diet that includes whole foods. Now remember, while these natural remedies and alternative treatments may provide relief for some individuals, they're not substitutes for medical care. It's important to work with a healthcare professional to develop a comprehensive treatment plan tailored to your specific needs and symptoms. So I want you to understand this. Traditional medicine tends to treat the symptoms. So a fibromyalgia sufferer may have a sleep issue. They may have, of course, widespread pain. They may have brain fog, and they may have depression. Now, those are four different things going on. And if you go the traditional medical route, you may be on four different medications. When all along, what I have found is that the majority of patients suffering with fibromyalgia have several underlying issues that are causing several of these symptoms. If we can find the root cause, then we can alleviate all of those things without the use of drugs. Now, I practice something called functional medicine. That's not emergency medicine. Functional medicine works strictly with chronic conditions like fibromyalgia, a chronic fatigue syndrome, autoimmune diseases. And what we do is we act like detectives, and we dig deep into your history. We have metabolic assessment forms that give us a deeper insight into what's happening in your physiology. And then we also use advanced lab testing, which really shows us what's going on in your system, whether it's your gastrointestinal system, your mitochondria, your thyroid, your adrenal glands. It takes some serious detective work, but we are all about chronic conditions. So little food for thought. If I can be of any help to you, I would love to do that. If you've gotten anything out of this, please like and subscribe. It does help us to help other individuals. If you want more information about myself, the service that we provide, you can look in the description. I'll leave my clinic phone number here. So you're welcome to reach out and talk to us. I do offer a free initial consultation on the telephone. So if I can be of any help, let me know. God bless. Have a great day.
If you are struggling with a chronic condition and would like more information, feel free to visit www.birminghamfunctionalmedicine.com. You are also welcome to set up a phone or Zoom consultation with Dr. Dailey at www.talktodrd.com.